So, what are some examples of pecuniary damages? Counseling and medication expenses, past and future loss of income, and out-of-pocket expenses to cover things like mileage to get to and from a therapist. The amount that is awarded for non-pecuniary damages is determined by detailed analysis and calculations. Conversely, non-pecuniary damages are to compensate for pain and suffering, including emotional distress, depression, anxiety, or other types of psychological harm, and loss of enjoyment of life, such as the ability to form and sustain personal relationships of trust and interdependency. There's often an aggravated component added to non-pecuniary damages to reflect elements like betrayal of trust, humiliation, and degradation. These elements are an integral part of a sexual abuse because it is never accidental nor unintended, as with many other kinds of personal injuries where aggravated damages are not commonly available. The monetary amount for non-pecuniary damages is calculated based on factors that include the survivor's age and vulnerability at the time, how intrusive and repeated the misconduct was, the extent to which breach of trust was involved, and most importantly, the consequences for the survivor. Now, punitive damages are rare in personal injury cases, but not in sexual assault cases, where the misconduct is intentional, inherently violent, and reflects an abuse of power. The monetary amount here is based on factors like whether or not the perpetrator has already been punished by the criminal court or in some other way, and the need to deter the perpetrator and others in their positions from committing similar kinds of misconduct.